Hello, welcome back to another weather video. So, in this one, I just wanted to point out there is now a tropical disturbance that could turn into something. Its development chances are low. However, this is something to watch. The main focus remains Debbie. Now, this is the 8 a.m. update. I'm going to compare it to the 11 a.m. update. Now, this is the cone. The center is expected to go within this cone, and that means that it's not just the center of the cone that it could go within. And impacts can be felt outside of the cone. That's very important. Now, the rain is going to be the main threat with this storm. However, it has maximum sustained winds of 45 miles per hour. So at the 8 a.m. update, it was moving northeast at 6 miles an hour. And at the next update, its maximum sustained winds were down to 40 miles an hour. It's still moving at 6. This was not very long ago, at 11 a.m., which was about 18 minutes ago. So this is very, very recent. And yeah, so it's not super strong, the winds, but, uh, you know, it's the main concern will be rain. This is the latest rainfall. It's come down because rain has already fallen. And, obviously track shifts. So Charleston could still get 8 inches to 12 inches, possibly up to a foot. So that's concerning. Wilmington could be looking at 12 to 16. Savannah doesn't look too bad. 4 to 6, maybe 6 to 8. I mean, that's not ideal. It's better, but it's still not ideal. Storm surge, something I haven't talked about very often, is where the wind pushes the water onto the shore. It's actually the deadliest part of a hurricane or a tropical storm or whatever. But it's not too bad. 2 to 4 feet from the Otamaha Sound. I probably didn't pronounce that right. I'm sorry. To Cape Fear, North Carolina. And then these are the key messages. Potentially historic rainfall, of course. There will be some dangerous storm surge and tropical storm conditions. And it says in portions of Florida where Debbie has passed, deadly hazards remain, including downed power lines, flooded areas, and then you have to ensure generators are properly ventilated to avoid carbon monoxide poisoning. Exercise caution when using chainsaws and power tools, and drink plenty of water to avoid heat exhaustion. Because obviously, Florida is hot and humid, and no, it is. It's when there's a thunderstorm in the summer, it rains and immediately goes back up to 95 degrees. Guess what? Does the same thing with hurricanes. So, it's Florida. Got to expect it. So, be careful. But anyway, thank you for watching.